This is GBPUSD on the daily time frame. So this is what I do, guys. This is my number one key structure, you understand? So I know this, and here is just this is just like a double bottom, you understand? That was what reversed the market upward. So second thing I do is I clone this to get my second key level in the market, which is here, because I'm looking at here as the neckline of this double bottom here. This is the neckline. So what is the objective that I'm looking for? I actually look out a minor key level somewhere around here, which is what I'm saying, because if this being a double bottom here, 1 and 2 here, you understand, then market got to this place and it is being kind of ranging around here. This is daily time frame. It failed to like go up or go down, so around here is an important key level that you should also take into consideration. You know, these are the areas that you should be looking at to know what will actually happen. You don't just come up and say this will happen or that will happen. You follow the market according to what the price is doing at the moment. So having done this, I saw this 1 2 here, touches here, and my own plan is around this place. I want to go on 4 hours time frame to know what is happening just around here. On 4 hours time frame, we can see clearly what price is actually doing here using price action. But then let's look into this very carefully and deeply to understand what just happened around here. If we look at the market from here, before the double bottom was formed, lower lows and lower highs, right? And then lower lows, and came up here again and formed a lower high. So is it now, because this thing is still around here, is it going to drop down to make a lower low after breaking here and continue to go down, or is just going to stand around here? If this place assumed to be a very strong level, is it going to reject around here and then continue to push up? You understand? Now let's look deeply at this. This area is also very important to me because I am seeing that price respected here one and kept respecting on this till it got here. Even it broke out of this, went up, retested on it instead of it to continue to push higher. And what happened? It came back into this place, broke below this trend line. So with this, it is very very clear that price will likely drop from this point here down to this point. So guys, on 1 hour time frame, trade your plan your trade. So here's what I try to do. I look at this with a different perspective, where I draw out my Fibonacci level here, and then I put it from this high to this low here. So I'm trying to understand what price is doing. So market is currently around 0.61. It tapped 0.61 fib retracement before it started moving down, okay, and currently around 0.50. all right, so that area is a very strong area to be considered. Then what else do I do? Like I used to say, I love trading towards touch of a trend. Okay, so now here, the only thing I'll be making me to take an opportunity on this trade is that I'll be waiting for the price to get up onto this place, up around here, to touch this trend line here, this third touch, the trend line here, we can see the first touch here, you can see the second touch here, and I'll be expecting this to come up around here, touch this one here before it begins to drop down. So for now, I'll be looking at GBPUSD and expecting market to get up to where I want it to get up to, right? I'll be making my move once it get up onto around this place. I'll be making my move down to the earth. So this is what I intend to do on GBPUSD. Here I have my first take profit. Here is my second take profit, and this is my last take profit. Always take your partials, lock your profit, and that's a good way to know what you're doing. So I used to have 3 take profits, you understand, and this is something I will talk about on another video. Okay, so price actually came here like we analyzed and gave us this 3 touch around here. That was where I was actually waiting for my entry levels. Okay, so when he gave me this, I quickly jumped in on the trade. Guys, know what you are doing. That's the only thing that will save you. So this was how I was able to capture this trade. Thank you very much. I remain your one and only friend, Emans FX. This is how we do it. It is what it is.